How to recover data from broken iPhone? Well, this video tells you 4 avenues to retrieve data from broken iPhone efficiently. Part 1. How to recover data from broken iPhone in all situations. How to recover data from iPhone with broken screen. These seemingly unsolvable problems are a piece of cake for Mobikin Doctor for iOS. How to retrieve data from broken iPhone via Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Run the program and choose the mode for scanning. Step 2. Preview the data before recovery. Step 3. Retrieve data from broken iPhone. Part 2. How to retrieve data from broken iPhone from iTunes backup. Connect iPhone to PC via USB. Open iTunes. Click iPhone icon. Choose Summary tab. Click Restore Backup in right pane. Select desired backup. Input iPhone name. Click Restore to retrieve data. Part 3. How to get data off a broken iPhone from iCloud backup. Erase the iPhone if it has already been set up. To achieve this, just head to its Settings, General, Reset, erase all content and settings. Set up from scratch. On Wi-Fi screen, select Restore from iCloud Backup. Log into iCloud. Choose Broken iPhone's Backup. Regain all content on the new iPhone. Part 4. Backup your iPhone data and contact Apple team for help. You can use Mobikin Assistant for iOS, Win and Mac to round a quick and secure backup. As the best iPhone data manager, it lets you back your iOS data into simple ways. Take control of your iDevice content. Backup the broken iPhone on your computer with Assistant for iOS. Download and launch Assistant for iOS on your PC. Connect broken iPhone with USB. Select file types, choose specific files, and tick to mark them for backup. Click Export to save selected content to a chosen folder on your computer. Alternatively, you can utilize its one-click iTunes backup and restore feature to backup your broken iPhone in just one click. Just highlight Super Toolkit, choose iTunes Backup and Restore, tap on Backup and specify a location to store all your iPhone content instantly.